guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Adrianne. So today's video is going to be a quick review of the new Shea Moisture green coconut and activated charcoal line. I just recently ordered this from SheaMoisture.com and I wanted to review this for you guys. So if you want to see my thoughts on this new Shea Moisture line, please keep watching.
Yes, sir.
Alright, so I first started off by purchasing the Purifying and Hydrating Exfoliating Hair Mud. This right here is actually, when I got it in the mail, I'm like, is this a facial mud? Because it's an exfoliator for your, it looks like an exfoliator for your face. But it smells like a hair product, and it is a hair product. So this is basically what you're going to use as a shampoo. You're going to, massage this on your scalp and then rinse it out is what the directions say. So I'm going to go ahead and review this and show you guys what this is like while I'm using it. It's also got the green coconut and activated charcoal purifying and hydrating light conditioner. When I saw this, I thought maybe I could leave this as a leave-in conditioner with this styler that I brought. After reading the directions, it says to rinse it out thoroughly. So I'm hoping that this has a lot of slip. I can be able to detangle my hair with it. So we'll see how that goes. And then last I got, well, not least, but next I got the Purifying and Hydrating in Shower Styler. So this is supposed to be an air dry and go. So this is particularly for a wash and go. So you put this in your hair, you put this in your hair, you rinse it out a little bit, and then you let it air dry and you go, is what the directions say. So I'm gonna see how this goes. We'll see. I don't know how this is gonna go. Hopefully it's it gives me hold and moisture. So I don't know. We'll see how that goes. Alright, so I also got the Purifying and Hydrating Build-Up Blaster with white tea and lemon balm. When I ordered this, I thought this was like a pre-poo for my hair, but it's actually something you use in between wash days, or because you don't rinse it out, like you put it on your scalp and then you just kind of go. This just helps break down build-up. So like if you got a build-up on your edges from your edge control, you put this on it just to kind of break it up and go, not wash it. This is more geared toward protective styles, in between washes. So I won't be reviewing this today because I'm gonna wash my hair today. So I may use this, later on in the week, and probably insert a clip of me using it there. So these items can be purchased at Ulta only. They're sold exclusively to Ulta. So I did order them from Shea Moisture's website. And I did not get them from Ulta. I got them from Shea Moisture's website, and the shipping was like, I ordered it on a Thursday. I think I got it on the following Tuesday. It was pretty quick of when I got my items. So let's go ahead and jump right into this video. Washing my hair. What did I do? I wet my hair with some water. So I have no product on it, but my hair is just really dripping wet. So I'm going to go ahead and take this and try to focus this on my roots. Is what it says to do. So I'm gonna try to work in sections. Usually when I shampoo my hair, I don't work in sections. I just kind of go with it. But for this, I'm gonna work in sections. So I can already tell you that I don't like the fact that I have to work in sections. I'm used to just a shampoo and washing. So this seems like it's gonna already be a hassle. But I'm gonna take this hair mud. This is like very thick, and I don't know how this is gonna work, but I'm gonna focus this on my scalp like it said. I don't like this. The stuff is like dripping and I don't like this at all. This is a no-go for me. The mud, the whole concept of it seemed like it made sense, but I don't like it. I mean, it's like, do y'all see this on my hair? Like it's falling out. Like it's not. It's like I'm putting sugar in my head. Is what it feels like. And it's a huge mess is what it is. So I'm gonna go ahead and stop this right now, because it's not even like setting up like a shampoo. Oh well, here it is. Wait, let me not give up. Hold on. Alright, yeah, this is a no. I have like the sugar scrub or whatever it is kind of like all over myself. This is a very messy process. It's probably meant to be done in the shower, but I'm not going to take my camera in the shower. So, and everybody doesn't wash your hair in the shower. So I really don't, this is a no for me. The whole, it's too much of a hassle. I feel like the mud of it should be for a face, not the hair, if that makes sense. I mean, I get the process of it or the thought of it, but yeah, this is a no for me. Too much, it's too messy. I have this stuff all over me. So I'm gonna go rinse this out my hair and I'm gonna come right back. All right, so I'm back after rinsing out that mud stuff. That was a hot mess, y'all. I didn't like that at all. So I probably will never use that again in my hair. And I think I got it all out. I hope I got it all out. But this is what my hair looks like after I rinsed out the, no, I'm still feeling little balls falling out my hair. Do y'all hear that? I'm feeling little sugar balls or whatever that is in my, do y'all hear that? It's falling out my hair. So obviously I didn't either rinse it out well or whatever. I don't know. So now I'm gonna go in with this light conditioner and hopefully this will make me happy again. It's double sealed. Go ahead, Shea Moisture. Double sealing your stuff, girl. So I'm gonna take the light conditioner. It's pretty thick. It's actually very thick. It's not light. Oh, it has little black beads in it. So maybe that's just the charcoal being activated. But I'm gonna put this in my hair and hopefully it has a lot of slips so I can be able to detangle this hair of mine. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah. No, I don't wanna waste. Okay, so the conditioner does feel lightweight on the hair. This is what my hair looks like. It doesn't feel like I have like a ton of slips, so I'm gonna go ahead and try to detangle. I always detangle my hair from the ends to the roots, so I'm gonna go ahead and do it in sections. Wastelands through the highways. And on we'll This does not have a lot of slip for me. And actually it's kind of just sitting on top of my hair strands. If you could see, you see the little balls? It's not like penetrating my scalp, my hair at all. It's just kind of sitting on my scalp. So, sitting on my hair, not my scalp. I don't know, Shea Moisture. So I'm going to detangle the rest of my hair and then I will be back. Alright, so I just rinsed out the light conditioner. I did not give this a chance to work in my hair before I gave my, my thoughts on it. After I let it sit in my hair for a little longer, this side was easier to detangle because it sat on my hair longer, but this side was a little bit harder because I didn't let it penetrate my hair all the way, if that makes sense. So on this side, the little balls kind of dissolved more. I guess it has to sit on your hair before it dissolves. Not really sure how that works, but when I rinsed my hair out, my hair is very, very soft. So this is what my hair looks like now that my hair is rinsed out from the conditioner. I left my hair in a twist while I rinsed it out because I didn't want it to get detangled. But my hair is like very, very, very soft. Like very soft. Alright, so now I'm ready to actually go ahead and style my hair. So I'm going to take the Purifying and Hydrating in Shower Styler. So I'm not really following directions because I'm not doing it. I'm following directions, but I'm not going to do it in the shower like it states for me to do. So I'm going to go ahead and put this on my hair and rinse it out, like I said, like rinse a little bit out and then go about my business. So we'll see how this works. The color of it is black like the other products in the hair. Well, it's the charcoal color, black. So I don't know, we'll see how this goes. So usually when I do a wash and go, my hair is soaking wet, so I'm gonna go ahead and spray my hair with some water and aloe vera juice is what I usually use for my hair. So I'm gonna just spray my hair so my hair can be kind of like soaking wet.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And
alright, so this is what my hair looks like after all the product is in my hair. I'm going to go ahead and hop in the shower and rinse it out like it says to do. Rinse out a little bit and then let it air dry. So I'll come back and show you guys what my hair looks like after it's air dried. But it feels really good on my hair. My hair feels really moisturized and it made my curls really form, you know, right. So far the in-shower styler is a go for me, but it all depends on how it looks when it's dry. So, and how it feels when it's dry. So we'll see what that looks like. Through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And